Hi kids, how are you today? In this video, we will learn about letter A. So, let's start together. Letter A. A for apple. Spell A, P, P, L, E. Letter A. A for airplane. Spell A, I, R, P, L, A, N, E. Letter A. A for alligator. Spell A, L, L, I, G, A, T, O, R. Letter A. A for archer. Spell A, N, C, H, E, R. Letter A. A for ankle. Spell A, N, K, L, E. Letter A. A for ants. Spell A, N, T, S. Letter A. A for arm. Spell A, R, M. Letter A. A for arrow. Spell A, R, R, O, W. Letter A. A for avocado. Spell A, V, O, C, A, D, O. Letter A. A for axe. Spell A, X, E.
Thanks you for watching. See you next video. Please subscribe for more.